Chad Sputh, we're out here in Fountain, Colorado, and we are looking at some haul trucks. We've got a 2020 haul truck right behind me. We've got two 2019s that are sequential serial numbers. That means that they've been BFFs their whole life. So if you want to come take a look at some of these, they are late model, super low hour pieces of equipment. The really important thing on these is that these have been hauling dirt their entire life. So if you take a look at that bed, it is absolutely pristine. There's plenty of tread on these tires. If you look in here, it's got the self-lube system. So all the maintenance on these things is immaculate. I said self-lube, and that doesn't mean what we think it means. I meant auto lube. Definitely auto lube. But the big picture on these is they're still working. They're out here getting the last little bit of work in them before they go to auction. But I want you to see what they are in working condition. You can come to the open house and you can see them all polished up and looking great, but this is what they look like on a daily basis, and to be fair, they look awesome.
Hey folks, Casey Wolf with Purple Wave Auction here. Right now I'm sitting in a 730 Cat articulated haul truck. We have 3 of these selling. 2 of them are 2019s, one's a 2020. They're all really clean trucks, as you can see from the cab here. They're in really good condition, and the hours on them are really low for the age. And you can see here, lifting the bed on one to just test it out. These trucks have all been really well maintained. The owners and the operators of these trucks really take pride in their equipment, and it shows. If you come out for the open inspection and you see how clean these are. You know, right now the exteriors are still a little dirty. They're in their working clothes because these trucks are still on an active job site, but we're gonna have them all washed and cleaned and ready to go, ready to ship out to you if you use Purple Wave shipping. That's just another way that we make things straight, simple sold. This truck is gonna sell no reserve of the highest bidder on June 12th on our exclusive Valfair Construction auction on purplewave.com.